how to see your Facebook password in your Google account. This is what you will learn in this video. It is a short and quick video. Highly recommend to watch till the end. Let's get started. First of all, open your Gmail app. Make sure that you're logged into your Gmail account in which you have saved the Facebook password. Then click on the avatar icon. Click on Google account. In the Google account page, within the different tabs, click on security. Scroll down to the end of this page. The second last option is the password manager. Here you will see that how many passwords you have stored in your Google account. In my case, I can see that it is telling me that I have 10 passwords saved in my Google account. Click on this, scroll down, and here you will see all the websites for which the password is saved in your Google account. In my case, you can see that under the facebook.com, I can see 02 accounts, which means that I have 2 stored passwords or 2 stored logins for Facebook in my Google account, and I can see that. I'm just going to show you in a minute. But one thing that you have to remember, you may not see your Facebook account here. This will only be shown once you have logged in or saved your Facebook account in your Google account. And how would you know that? Just try to recall that if you have ever logged into your Facebook through your browser, for example the Chrome browser, then you will have this Facebook password stored here. However, if you have never logged in from the browser and you have always logged into Facebook through the Facebook app, you may not see here, but still you can go to your this page, click on this. It will ask you for the lock screen password or fingerprint, and in the next screen you will see both the emails as well as the passwords that are stored here. You can just unhide this password and you will see that the password is shown. And so if there's still any query, you can ask me in the comment section below. In any case, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.